Hi, my name is Tom Goddard. I'm the founder and chief executive officer of Integral Healthcare Solutions, an accreditation consulting firm that has been working with healthcare organizations to get and stay accredited for nearly 2 decades. In this very short video, I'm going to talk to you very briefly about OPIN 1-1, URAC's PBM version 3.0 standards. This standard is about policy and procedure maintenance. It's got 3 basic elements. The first one is maintenance. What does URAC mean by maintenance? Well, actually, it's very simple. You've got to keep track of when you approved it, when you've reviewed it, every time you've reviewed it, when you've revised it, and who the person or body, like a quality management committee is, for example, who is responsible for reviewing and revising and approving it. It's called the approval authority. So those 4 factors. Now, some folks keep track of that on the policy itself. We at Integral Healthcare Solutions don't recommend that as much as we recommend that you keep track of it on a master list. If you do it on a master list, that'll help you to kind of get a view of the entire world of your policies and procedures so that you can see, oh, it's time to update this policy, it's time to review that policy. So that's the first element, maintenance. The second element is periodic review. Now, URAC says that you have to do that no less frequently than every 36 months. And what URAC means by that is 36 months to the month. Now, just because URAC says that you can do it every 36 months doesn't mean that you should. It might make sense for you to review your policies more frequently than that. Whatever you decide less than the 36 months, though, put it in your policy and then stick to it. If you, in your policy, say we're going to review these policies every 12 months, and then you don't, you can't rely on URAC's 36-month number. You put it in your policy for 12 months, and if you're going to comply with your policies, which is one of the points of this standard, then you need to do it every 12 months if that's what your policy says. The third component here is communication and dissemination. So your staff can't be expected to follow your policies if they haven't seen the policies, and they can't be expected to do the processes in an up-to-date manner if you haven't shown them the up-to-date version of the policies. So this element requires that you have a methodology of communicating your policies, whether they're new or just revised, to the appropriate staff members who have to implement those policies. So be sure that you document, as a part of your regular documentary process, that you've communicated these policies to your staff members. Thanks for tuning in.